Okay. Deficiency patterns, heart-Qi deficiency, heart-Yang deficiency, heart-blood deficiency. Sa excess patterns, stagnation of heart-Qi, stagnation of heart blood, heart fire, phlegm, cold in the heart, phlegm heat in the heart. Okay. Let's go to heart-Qi deficiency. It is the initial stage of heart-Yang deficiency. Okay. Cardinal symptoms, palpitations with fatigue, shortness of breath on exertion, listlessness, lacking the joy of life, spontaneous sweating. Okay. Let's go to heart-Yang deficiency naman. It is the result and further complication of heart-Qi deficiency. Relationship between heart and lungs can also cause symptoms pertaining to the lungs. Okay. Cardinal symptoms, symptoms of heart-Qi deficiency. Additional symptoms, feeling of constriction in the heart area and cold hands. Okay. Stagnation of heart-Qi causes Qi to stagnate in the thorax. Okay. Cardinal symptoms, palpitations with feelings of constriction in the thorax, depression with feeling of oppression, unable to express emotions. Yan po. Heart blood deficiency, it is the initial stage of heart-Yin deficiency. Okay. Cardinal symptoms, palpitations, difficulties falling asleep, decreased short-term memory, slight restlessness, and pale lips. Okay. Heart-Yin deficiency is the result and further complication of heart blood deficiency or initial stage of heart fire. Okay. Cardinal symptoms, symptoms of heart blood deficiency. Additional symptoms, frequent waking at night, more restlessness, heat sensation, night sweat, and 5-center heat. Okay. Heart fire, result and further complication of heart-Yin deficiency. Okay. Cardinal symptoms, palpitations with heat sensation, hectic unrest and restlessness, ulcers in the mouth, tongue ulcers, stomatitis, fast speaking, endless talking, mabilis magsalita, and aversion to heat. Okay? Stagnation of heart-Qi causes the Qi to stagnate in the thorax. Sa thorax pala. Okay? Cardinal symptoms, palpitations with feelings of constriction in the thorax, depression with feeling of oppression, unable to express emotions. Okay? Stagnation of heart blood causes obstruction of the vessels combined with repressed emotions. Stagnation of heart blood. Cardinal symptoms, palpitations with strong feeling of oppression in the thorax, stabbing pain in the area of the heart, cyanotic nails, cyanotic lips. Yung cyanotic color violet or purple. Okay? Let's go to phlegm cold in the heart. The phlegm obstructs the heart orifices and affects the mind. Cold in combination with phlegm can cause mental disturbance. Okay, parang baliw. Okay, cardinal symptoms, palpitation, stupor, unresponsiveness, absent language function, talking to oneself, autism, confusion, mental depression, staring at walls. Ayan, pag nakakita po kayo niyan, meron ng phlegm cold in the heart. Okay? Phlegm heat in the heart naman. The phlegm constructs heart orifice and affects the mind. Heat in combination with phlegm can cause mental disturbances and agitation. Okay? Cardinal symptoms, palpitations, mental restlessness, confusion, mental depression, talking to oneself, nakausap ang sarili, absent language function, incoherent talk, stupor, unresponsiveness. Okay.